myself Srija. I am working as lecturer in Department of Polymer Technology, KPT, Mangalore. On behalf of Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, I am conducting Polymer Science Lab. Now the experiment conducted is dry rubber content and the course outcome is determination of dry rubber content. Dry rubber content. Determination of dry rubber content of a given rubber latex. Aim of the experiment is to determine the dry rubber content in the given sample of rubber latex. The apparatus needed are electronic balance, beaker, desiccators, watch glass, hot air oven. Chemical required are latex and acetic acid. Procedure. First, the beaker is washed initially with water and it is dried well. We weigh about W1 gram. Let the weight of the beaker be W1 gram. Small amount of latex is taken in a beaker. Then note down the weight as W2 gram. And the weight of the sample or latex taken will be W2 minus W1 gram. We are adding 10 ml of water into the beaker in which latex is taken and 10 ml of acetic acid is added to the sample. It is stirred continuously by using a glass rod until latex gets coagulated. Now you will get the glass into the oven with the rubber sample. We will be heating the oven at 75 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. After drying, thin sheet of rubber film is removed. It is kept in desiccators for cooling purpose and after cooling, weight of the sample is taken as W3. Now, the DRC or dry rubber content of the film will be weight of the rubber film divided by weight of latex into 100. The result obtained is the percentage of dry rubber content in a given sample in percentage. So first, latex is taken into a beaker. We will be taking the initial weight of the bottle and then final weight of the bottle. We are transferring the latex into a beaker and noting the weight of latex taken. After that, we will be diluting the latex with 10 ml of water. We are diluting the liquid with water and we are pouring acetic acid of 10 ml into the beaker. Using a water bath, we will be completely coagulating the latex. We keep the beaker on the water bath so that it ensures complete coagulation of latex. We will get a thin film which has to be washed and any acid content it should be completely removed. It should be washed thoroughly with water. We will get a thin rubber film it has to be made uniform thickness and washed with water. Any remaining coagulum present has to be completely taken from the beaker. So this film, water is removed from the film and any excess acid is also removed, and we are making it so thin, and it is kept in a wash glass for drying in a hot air oven. We will be keeping it in a hot air oven for drying for 75 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. The temperature should be maintained at 75 degrees Celsius and duration is 2 hours. After drying, we will be taking out the rubber sample film. We will be keeping it in desiccators for cooling purpose, and then the weight of the rubber film is noted. We are coming to the observation part. Here the weight of the beaker, W1, we will be taking the weight of the beaker. After transferring latex, we will be taking W2, weight of the beaker plus latex. Now weight of latex we can calculate by W2 minus W1. Then after the rubber film is coagulated and we are keeping it for drying, after cooling and drying, we will take the weight of rubber film as W3 gram. Now DRC of the sample is weight of the rubber film divided by weight of latex into 100. The calculation is done according to the weight taken in the laboratory. So this is the picture of the hot air oven, in which the oven is kept at 75 degrees Celsius and hot air is circulated inside the oven. Thank you.